Make you feel it in your soul.
Got a body so sweet. When you're vibing with me, let's go on a retreat. Somewhere we can just keep the mood on repeat. We can do it low key. We ain't getting no sleep. Girl, we staying up. You whisper like a record, babe. I hate when that happens. Hey, Donna. Hey, everybody coming in. I wanted to go over something. I know we supposed to do some of her coloring remarks and stuff. We is gonna talk about that. And then I got something when Misha went live. Misha with an M, not Nisha, Misha. But I want to go into these court documents because let me see, where is it at? Y'all remember she sat here and she was like, let me go to my oldest and we can go from there. She was basically talking about how he took the kids and she didn't let him get the kids and stuff. Let me see if I can find what live that was in. I want to go over them court documents. I want to go over them. Because let's be clear. Because I'm going to find them. Hold on. Hey, Remy. Hey, Lisa. Hey, everybody. I want to go over them. And I thought I put them in my thing, but I didn't. But it's okay. Because we finna go over them. Because Clark didn't know that had them, and that's who I got them from. But she basically sat there. Why are we doing that? I want to play. Where is that thing at? I want to play her and Misha with the M. Why are they acting like that? Ew. Where is it? No, I don't see it. What the hell going on here? Oh no, here it is. Okay, this is Misha with the M. While I'm looking for that so we can read these court documents, here we go. Hold on, let me blow this up.
It's already being said. So what does she got to lose?
Just want you to fall into.
So I think it was Nisi and Misha on Instagram Live, and they were talking about Olivia, and this is when Olivia stole, hey, Misha with the M coach bag, because we know Olivia don't got shit. Thank you, Karen. Hey, Karen, y'all hit the like button. We know Olivia ain't got shit. She don't never buy a coach in her motherfucking damn life. So I'm gonna play it while I look for them court documents. I'm gonna go over them.
The shit. You know what I'm saying? She into it with the nigga. Oh, Misha, come over here. This, that. Can you? And I'm like, and I would have to tell Brandon, my real friends don't put me in situations to where the police keep coming up to the house or
Yeah,
we
I
in
don't
public.
think she liked your little friendship or your little whatever you had with Brandon. I think she didn't like that at all. I
Yeah,
think she felt
like
some type of way about y'all being.
but it's not nobody's fault that we somewhere and then he he looking at somebody else. That's not my fault. You get what I'm saying? But
well, she go blame. She needs somebody right now. Like you said, she needing for a storyline.
Now that's true.
She know that, but she don't care because she's accepted being a villain. So if you was her, wouldn't you? She don't like everything that can be said. It's already being said. So what does she got to lose by being a villain?
True.
So, you know, you already made your platform, so you can use that for yourself. I would tell you not to stop. She bashed you. You let her. You don't want to get into it with her. I understand. You don't want to be the only reason that you don't want her to be the only reason that you have a channel. But how you know that you don't have things in your life going on that other people can relate to?
Right.
So don't drop off the face of the earth because this bitch talking about you and you don't want to get into it with her. Fuck her.
I agree.
You understand why she never told nobody? Me and this, let me tell you what pissed me off. When she said even me and Niecy had a good time, we didn't have no fucking good time. But I was trying to lean back in a cut until I talked to my brother.
Yeah.
About everything. That way she can't keep saying Niecy don't know shit. Niecy don't talk to him, even though I know I did. Well, I'm an old ass bitch. You hear me? I don't got to go prove that to nobody. And the first thing that people say, why you in their business? Which I don't give a fuck about that shit.
Right. That is the first shit somebody
says.
says.
She put it out there. Fuck you mean? Y'all watching, y'all in a motherfucking business. So if she put it out there and then you see the shit, then why not watch it? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And what she's saying, okay, when I say I don't know no more than everybody else, that's with her and Brandon. I don't. And I really did think he was good for her. This will fuck me up.
But the people did too, and that's what killed it off too, because motherfuckers was in her own life talking about Misha cool.
Hey, Candy Cane. Yeah, she been wanting a storyline. She been wanting one. So this was her and Misha. Now, her and Misha was supposed to be cool. Everybody thought that, but then she started calling Misha Auntie Mama and all types of little slick comments.
Misha, why you don't lace her up with game? Misha, why she stupid? You not like that shit was her and that bitch feeling. She like, oh, they do that with everybody who get on my live. I said, girl, who else be getting on your live with you? You don't have no other friends to get on live with you.
It's official,
so they only
Jay.
talk about me. She didn't like that shit. She didn't like that motherfucker.
The people that watch her, the people that watch her because they like her, and the people that try to support her, I feel bad for them. Because when I actually watched that video when I got on her, I actually watched that this morning. And that's what made me say I'm going to do another live. Because she went into a whole victim. If they happy for me, why did they get on her? Bitch, to tell you we happy for you. Fuck you mean? If they're so happy, they're doing it again. They're following me, and I changed my number. You went into a whole fucking victim, and then nobody even say, "But hey, girl, hey."
She did. She sure did. She told Misha to go make a channel, and when Misha started getting subscribers, and Misha started getting, certain stuff, she got upset about it.
They're doing it. They're coming for me. Bitch, nobody came.
Just like with Niecy.
Who was coming for her?
Texas. I knew what you said. Remember, you wanted to take me out. You wanted us to get together. So how the fuck did you become a victim that fast? And if we was fucking with you, why the fuck was you calling me? Don't make me play this shit. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, I got receipts. But I really don't want to do that because she quiet. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to let her be quiet. She already going through some shit. But she's a troubled person. And she is never, ever, ever going to keep a friend. I'm really thinking at this point she's a little bit of narcissism, bipolar. So if she truly do have issues in which I feel sorry. But you don't call no motherfucking head buster and say, bitch, don't talk about me. You understand? Because that's telling me to talk about your bitch ass. Yeah. And I do it. So, girl, you don't got to talk about her. But if you want to defend yourself, why not?
But Niecy, that's why I just really tried to refrain. Because if I stand in your living room and say, bitch, I'll beat your ass, and you're like, what? Have you my ass? That's telling me, see, you don't even want the smoke. I'm going to leave quietly because there's no one to peel me off you. It's going to go.
That's why you should have stayed. That's why you should have stayed. Yeah.
So she telling her she should have stayed, which I agree, because Olivia wasn't fit to do nothing to Misha. She's not gonna fight nobody. She just gonna sit there and call the police. That's it. She's not gonna do anything.
See, you know what? That's how I felt when I went to the birthday party and I saw her. And my son came to the car and said, "Mama, don't you?" And I was like, "Let me take a couple of shots." Cause one thing gonna have us touching every wall up in this bitch. And you was talking that shit in Florida like you want that business. But I know she don't want that business. And if she did get the business, why you think Danielle her friend, why you think that she go for her, if she would have laid one hand on a sister, you would have seen that she truly don't have no fucking friends. You know what I'm saying? But I felt sorry. And she a big bitch that's way bigger than me. But I knew that she was going to fall hard as fuck if I would have touched her. And yes, she would have called the police.
Yeah.
And then she would have got on YouTube and said, "She's crazy. Look what she done to me." Knowing motherfucking well she deserve ass. Now you know you need ass whooping. You hear me? Yeah.
Period.
Yeah.
Period. And then
all the nasty shit that she think don't nobody know but you and her. I know about it all, Misha. Yeah. I'm just want her to shut the fuck up first. And then I'm gonna unleash the beast. Cause you a nasty ass bitch, ain't you? Right now, I don't think she love no motherfucking body. Cause she putting that thing to work. I'm talking about that stank box. See? So if you think that she's loving Gerard and she just want her family back, that's not loving Gerard.
no.
You don't get no nigga back by being
No.
So you
No.
think he want that stank after
No.
everybody else? Okay.
And Gerard is happy with the lady. I'm happy. Look, if whoever is happy with who, be happy with them. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never had no smoke with the girl. Let me tell you, she sent me a picture and was like, "I'm gonna send you her right now." Sends me a picture, and I was like, "Damn, bitch." And she was like, "She's ugly, right? She's fucking ugly." I was like, "Girl, no, she's not." I was like, "I know that shit hurt, bitch."
That's why she got mad at Misha, because Misha did not say that Nisha was ugly. She say, "No, that's a bad bitch right there. She look good. I know she look better than you." And she got upset about that. And that's why she hates when people talk about Nisha in a good way, because it bothers her.
It's like your nigga live in the bitch, like, you know, she ain't no ugly bitch.
She don't need a friend. She needs somebody around her to continuously build up her self-esteem and confidence. And when you see her get on there and she's talking about how she look and then how she feel, and then she'll get back and then she'll cry and she'll say, "Man, I need to lose some weight. Man, I need surgery." And then she'll go back and then she'll say, I'm fine just like this.
Yeah.
You know, my pussy soft like a baby leg. And you know, I'm like, that's it. That's your whole worth. Your whole
the loyalty game.
Yeah. And you know, it's like she don't she no friends.
She want a yes,
good about
a yes man. And I couldn't do it. She hated it because I'm like, "No, that bitch is fine, bitch. She nice shape. Her hair always done. That's one thing I'd be like, you bitch, you black bitch, you gotta keep yourself up, you know, try." And you know, I would have to tell her, Gerard have a black mom, and I'm sure his mom and his grandma taught him how to clean and shit. You know what I'm saying? So it's just certain things that people live up to. So when he come in the house, like, bitch.
That's why he called her. That's why she called her people loyalty gang. It's not because of nothing, because they had the loyalty towards her and didn't like Nisha. Let me fast forward.
It's different. So either you're gonna fall in line because you don't have nowhere to go, or you gonna have to, you know what I'm saying? Do what he do. And he don't like her parenting. He was always like, the kids run over you, all that type of shit. And of course you're gonna feel some type of way that a nigga feel like,
yes, she was.
Where's Nisha? She coming over. He always wanted me to come over. It wasn't her.
Brandon was homeless then.
Like, oh, this nigga was putting her up to calling me to come.
Brandon was homeless then because the girl kicked him out because she found out about Olivia, and Olivia was in her house, so he went to go stay with Olivia
because he wanted to kick it, and he know I kick it. That's why I say she used me for my friendship, because people fuck with me. We're gonna go in the club, we're gonna go in the bar. I know people, I'm a network, and that's something she can't do. Because our buck bitches like, you weird.
They wanted to know why was Danielle being friends with her Danielle truly do understand that she was going through something, and Danielle understood that she was her by herself. At this point, she had already asked forgiveness from everybody when she came. So they gave her the time. I didn't. And when I went to the party, I didn't even know that she was gonna be there. So, out of that we was kicking it and shit, It was really like, bitch, why you say I'm kicking it with you? You know what I'm saying? Not only do I not want to kick it with you, but I still want to beat you up. I still want to lay hands on you. Then she was doing fucked up shit at the party that she didn't even have no business doing. It's fucked. I was straight. I got me a little bit, and I was like, damn, but you got two. Okay. She really don't want to fight drinking 2 bottles of Cran, especially not with me. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Especially not with me.
Right.
Yeah. I don't feel sorry for her. And then how she was looking, girl, if you really knew what happened at that party. Oh my God. She got
what party? So this is the party that happened like a week or 2 ago that everybody was kind of like, Gerard came in and checked the baby diaper and that shit?
Yeah.
This is when my nephew
had that party because that was the kid's birthday party.
That bitch crying. Okay. Just know why she trying to make it seem some type of way. She was up in that bitch crying like a motherfucker. You better believe that shit. Yeah.
No, I believe it. Did she play victim? I've seen it.
One drinking with the kid, only brick can in his car because he had the brick can previously. So if he was drinking and driving, he wasn't doing it that day. He did it another day and left the can in the car. So nothing was in there when she's in the car with him. But girl, she not too motherfucking much. That's what she do, baby. That's who she is. That's who your friend is, honey. You know what I'm saying? That's a fucking liar, and she's a hypocrite. And if you look at her and think, like you just said, Shannon, were the unicorns, that first video that I made, which was based on dysfunctional. Who the fuck are you to call anybody dysfunctional when you the most dysfunctional bitch I ever met, And she's not. I think the only thing changes the people that watch us see that I wasn't lying. And anybody that she try to form any kind of with is never gonna work, especially if you're not gonna kiss her ass. Okay. You gotta kiss her ass, baby. True. If you ain't gonna kiss her ass, that friendship is over. She'll be your friend right now if you kiss her ass a little bit. Yeah, she'll do it.
Oh no. But and you not lying because she the kind of bitch. She's definitely a white girl. You could go back and forth and just be like, well, this is just what friends do type shit. But that's not this. After this, like
me too. But I'll tell you, I can't say it's because she a white girl. We can say the Lauren shit or whatever, or Katie or whoever. We can say that white girl, but I done had white friends that's cool as fuck. They don't act shit like that. That's called a mental disability. It's something else wrong with this girl that she really need to sit down and talk to somebody or even need medication at this point. So I don't think it's
learned behavior though, like learned behavior.
Yes.
I think that maybe when she was young, she didn't get enough attention, and maybe she angry because she don't. Maybe she live a life because she went so long without feeling important. Maybe the lack of having a man, in her life. It done been a couple of times when we had talked to her and was like, well, Gerard, why you let her do this? And she was like, if you tell me no, it may turn me on. It may make me want to fuck you. I might want to. And it's like, damn, bitch, she got to do it. But just beat her motherfucking ass. If somebody got to get on your shit to make you shut the fuck up, or to make you calm down, then, maybe that's a lack of having a daddy. Or maybe that's a lack of...
That's why a lot of people say that is her stepdaddy. That ain't her damn daddy. I don't care how much she say it is. That is not her daddy. Now, let's get to the court documents before we get into this colorist. I'm going to play one of my old lives. But I remember, shout out to Clock and Noted. I remember verbatim when the court documents came out on some stuff. Hold on, let me read my because she's still right here lying. Okay, she's still lying about these court documents. Oh, he took them away. Oh, he did this. Oh, he did that. I never got a fighting chance. I never got this and I never got that. Okay, This case was heard on August 27th of 2021. Gerard Webb was the counter petitioner, appeared through Zoom, and his attorney of record, his attorney name was Susan at the time, appeared by Zoom and announced for hearing. Okay, it was the interest of the children. Okay, all the 3 children names are blocked out. Olivia was the respondent, and she appeared in person and announced ready for another hearing. The court have examined the parties' pleading and having a hard evidence and argument of counsel finds that the party pleadings are proper as to form and provide all the allegations and information necessary to support jurisdiction. Accordingly, the court finds it has jurisdiction over this case and all parties. So instead of her telling her slow ass loyalty game that so let me give the backstory. Olivia left from Texas to Florida in the midst of the night with Brandon, okay? Packed up that house, left when she found out about Gerard and Nisha. They got to Florida, and as they got to Florida, he went ahead, she filed for child support. Now, he was paying child support sorry, y'all hear the squeak, in 2 different states because Olivia did not put where her proper state was at the time. So while she's getting child support from Gerard, she was getting her nails, her hair, her toes done, and nothing for the kids. Hence of Zolo coming around. And on one of them checks, her and Zolo went to that little staycation in Florida at a resort. Okay? Hence, you got it? Got it. Good. Okay. So when he filed for divorce, he got the phone call from Brandon to check on the children. And Zolo at the time, that's when Gerard, hey CC Life, filed for divorce. And also he was trying to find her and file for custody. Now, as soon as he did that, the judge was looking over everything and said, hey, she had lawyers. She didn't have 1 lawyer. She didn't have 2. She had 3 lawyers drop her as a client. So then the judge said, hey, since the children were going to school in Texas and staying in Texas, we need the children back in Texas. That is their jurisdiction. They weren't even doing at least 30 days in Florida. They weren't even in school in Florida at the time. She need to stop lying. She put them in school. They weren't going to school, okay? So he told her to bring them back. She said no. Gerard was already getting visitation. The judge said she got 30 days to bring them back. She said, F that judge, it's her kids. They came out of her vagina, her favorite line. And guess what? Guess what happened? Hey, Monique, that's what happened. Y'all ready? The judge said that she need to return them, and when Gerard went to go pick them up with the visitation, he needs to bring the paperwork. Yeah. And that's the last time she's going to see her children. So she called the police and tried to get him locked up for kidnapping, guns drawn, and then he had to show the paperwork that the judge ordered him that, and they went and let him go. No, Gerard did not talk to his kids. Gerard only talked to them when they were hungry. They were eating chips while she was sitting there getting drunk and act like she was sucking on Zolo. Them kids did not eat. They were eating chips. They had no food in the refrigerator. Even Zolo said she was just laying on the floor looking depressed, didn't want to wash her tail. They asked her to do a drug testing. She did not want to do it. So let's continue the court documents, shall we? Okay. Let's see. I'm going to fast forward a bit, y'all. But it's important documents, okay? Now, when she sat here and said, he took them from me, I'm finna read something that's highlighted that she don't want the world to know. Okay? Hold on. Give me 1 minute, y'all. Give me 1 minute. Give me a second. All right. A record of testimony and proceedings was made by the court reporter of this court, a jury. There was a jury waived, and all questions of fact of the law were submitted to the court. They blacked it out which child it was, and it says the following children are suspected to the suit. They had their children's name and their birth dates that's blacked out for confidential situations because the children are minors. They're not over the age of 18. Hey, Renee, which is proper paperwork, okay? When they hit 18, one of them hit 18, some of the proceedings might, the court documents might be released. Once they hit 18, it'll be fully public record, okay? But certain things are not fully out there right now. The court finds that Olivia did not, I repeat, Olivia Nicole Johnson did not fully comply with the court-ordered drug test that was ordered by July 22nd, 2021. Meaning she did not take her drug test. She went and shaved her head off. So she did not comply with the drug test. She did not comply with any parenting classes. She did not comply to anything the court asked for. Hence of why she's telling the loyalty gang over there that he took his children. And that's not the case. The court further finds that Olivia Johnson did not comply with the court service ordered on May 21st, 2021, and they gave her another one on July 26th, 2021. She had ordered a conservatives and parenting plan. Olivia was supposed to go to parenting classes, do her drug test, do her hours of parenting classes, get a job, show steady income, even if she does YouTube, show that she can keep the children with a steady income, make sure she's in parenting class, which I believe is like once a week. I was watching the movie with Gabrielle Sidibe, Give Me My Daughter, and she had to go like every day or once a week, commute, all that stuff, and show that she was doing what she was supposed to do as a mom. She had to get a place. If y'all saw it on Lifetime, it's a very good movie. She had to get her own place, find a job, and take care of her child to show that she can bring not just stable income, but also stable housing. So when she goes and says, oh, yeah, he took my kids, guys. Like, I understand I wasn't like really on drugs like that, but no, baby, look at where you are now. Those 3 children do not have stable housing. They're not being fed. You don't take them to the doctor. They haven't had a checkup at the dentist. Hey, Teresa, all of those things. So this is a repetitive of what you did with the Web3 kids. Like, we have to be honest. After consideration, all facts of this suit, the arguments of the parties in the best interest of the children. The court, not Gerard paying a judge, not none of that. The court, the state of Texas law, the judge, okay, the lawyers, CPS, and all of them agreed that the children should not be in your care. You didn't go to parenting. You keep saying Gerard took your kids. You gave them up when you didn't find a job. You didn't go to parenting class. You didn't do none of those and take your drug test. Yeah, hit the like button. Share the live out, please. Please share it out so I can get back in the algorithm. It's been a little slow for me lately, but share it out for me. You did not get a drug test done. You didn't even get the hair follicles. You shaved your head off because even if they found something inconclusive in your urine, they have to do it by your hair. So you decided to shave your head off. So when you sit here and say, Gerard took my kids, you willingly gave them away by not doing what the judge asked you to. While you send your fat ass over there, keep going with the same weak ass storyline. And every time you keep saying it, I'm just go ahead and start hitting with it. Now I done found it. It's some more in there. Oh, we're gonna go into I'm gonna find it on my page. We're gonna get into the days that she gets. That she telling y'all the days that she's supposed to have, she ain't supposed to have. Yeah, the days that court order days that she's not following, like the summer. This was her summer. She get the even years of summers. So if she does decide to go back to Texas, she would tell y'all, I'm supposed to get them for the winter. No, she's not supposed to get them for the winter holidays. That is Gerard's. Gerard gets them next year for the summer. Basically, Gerard has had them for the past 2 to 3 summers, and he might as well just keep them for the winter because she don't want them. She get even years of the summer. He gets the odd years of the summers, and it splits off who get Thanksgiving and Christmas. She doesn't want to do that. So while she's comparing herself to Hayden, Hayden gave her time up, unlike Olivia. Okay, according to the court finds that the provision in the order setting out the rights and duties of the parties in relation to the children, providing for a period of possession of access to the children, providing for child support, optimizing the development of a close and continuing relationship between each parent and the child. Hence, the parenting app for them to communicate about Robin, Christian, and Ryan. That didn't happen. Shall serve as a parenting plan by the section of the Texas Family Code, okay? 153.30, I think it's 503 or 303, okay? Let's continue, okay? All right. This was the plan. It is ordered that Gerard Webb and Olivia are appointed joint managing conservators. So when she say we have joint custody, her joint custody was trashed when she did something. I think it was when they was in a pool by themselves or something happened around that time. Her joint custody got too trash because this heifer decided to tell the court, and I'm going to pull it up, that she was scared of Gerard because he had Raven initiate a fight with her. That's why her joint conservative was out. She went all the way to where he was. She claimed that, and there was proof that did not happen. She didn't have a police report, none of that stuff. And she sat there and they asked her to do a drug test she was supposed to do and pay her portion. That's why her joint custody got ripped from her, because she did not comply again. And also she said she was scared of Gerard. That's why the meet up was at the school. It was or the airport. It was never at a meetup place designed for her. It's right here. Y'all want me to read it? Oh, I'll read it to you. Let me read it. It is ordered that Gerard Webb and Olivia Johnson will each have following rights and duty at this time. The right to retrieve information from any conservative of the children concerning the health, education, and the welfare of the children. Hence, when Christian hit his head, he was supposed to be notified. And they were supposed to be at the hospital, and he was supposed to be notified then so he can go to his primary care. The right to confer with the other conservator to extent possible before making a decision concerning the health, education, and welfare of the children. The right of access to medical, dental, psychology, which kind of, now that I'm looking at it, I believe, it was the airport or police station, absolutely. And then when they started school, it was the school. You're right, naturally, it sure was. When they say psychology, I believe the children, like I say, I don't know fully what happened, but it is in these court documents. The children were supposed to go to psychology anyway because of whatever stemmed of issues they had containing with Olivia. Okay. And educational records of the children. The right to consult a physician, dentist, or psychologist of the children. The right to consult with school officials concerning the children's welfare, educational status, including school activities. That's why he said in the parenting app, she has everything. Yes, every single time. She sure was natural. She sure was naturally. She was. She was defiant every single time. Remember, he would put in the parenting app about Christian when Christian started football, and he put it in, and he said she never showed up. She was defiant about that. She never showed up. She knew where them practices were being held at. She knew what time was the games. It's all in the court paperwork. It's all in the parenting app. When they have a conversation, the judge get notified how their parenting is, who is the problem, so they can keep an eye on what the issue is. That's the reason for the parenting app. She never cried. Nope, she didn't. She never followed court protocol. She never followed court protocol. She never did. She was supposed to show up. He even has told her, yeah, she never contributed to the fundraiser for his football or anything. She never showed up. Just like with Robin. She refused to go to parenting classes. She refused to pay her child support. She only showed up one time to the children ceremony at the school. She was supposed to show up for the whole entire ceremonies. She never showed up. She never showed up. Never went. She keeps leaving and moving. That's another one that she going against. The right to attend school activities, including school lunches. So when she say I can't go to the kids' school lunches, I can't do that, she lied, because they put it in there that she had the right to go to the kids' school with lunch. She know Robin like Chipotle. Hey Melody, she know Christian and Ryan like Golden Chicks. She could have went to those three places, got their lunch and sat down and had lunch with them. Or choose, now that you got one in middle school, two in middle school, one in elementary school. She could have picked, okay, this Friday I'll do Robin. Like, okay, kids, I want y'all to pick a day when y'all want me to come to school with y'all lunch. That'll be our day of the week. Like, that'll be our day. I'll come eat lunch with you. I'll come sit down with you. Me and your little sister will eat lunch, or just me and you. I'll get a sitter for Kalani, AJ in school. I will go sit down and me and you can have a conversation. Yeah, she said they were all in her way. They were proud for Robin. They were happy for her because she had that girl push back. She has every right to show up to school lunches, performances, and field trips she did not go to. The right to be designated on the children's record as a person to be notified in the case of emergency. She did not. The right to consent to medical, dental, and surgical treatment during an emergency involving an imminent danger to the health and the safety of the children. She did not. The right to manage the estates of the children in the extent that the state have been created by the parent or the parent's family. She did not. The duty to inform the other conservative of the children in a timely manner for significant information concerning the health, education, and welfare. She did not. The right to Christina gone. I can't. God dang it. Shut up. I'm trying to read. My bad, y'all. Yeah, she only wanted them, and she wanted gang control, and she only wanted them to watch the children. Y'all heard my sister had to play that. She said what she thought it was. I should have let y'all hear her. Okay, Christina's gone. She said the children are gone. I'm not gonna play with her. The duty to inform the other conservative of the children of the conservative resides with at least 30 days, marry or intends to marry a person who the conservator. Okay. So she was upset. Okay. Now, this is where it comes in. Gamer Bay was around them kids. Gamer Bay was around them kids. As you know, Gamer Bay got an SA charge. Okay? Do y'all hear me? That is now found out after she has left. Okay? All right. Excuse me. Keep that in mind. If she marries or anyone intended known as a registered ex-offender or is currently with the offense for which is conviction, the person would be required to register under the chapter. This required notice must be made as soon as practicable, but not later than the 4th day. So Olivia knew about these men. He was around the children. She knew for sure that Gamer Bay had that charge, and he was still around the kids. She did not notify Gerard and say, hey, listen, Bradley, he got some issues. Bradley has some issues. She never mentioned at all. And her children were around Bradley plenty of times. Yep. About these strange men, exactly. Bradley they weren't notified. Hey, listen. And then you come, and then let's say another thing. You say she came on here saying that she likes men that's been in jail. You gotta notify when you get them kids what type of man you got in your household. That's why Tay was never there, because I think it was a put in a stop when it came to Bradley. When she did that live, that she likes, he keeps busting in here, that she likes men who've been in jail, she told on herself. She has to report that. And I don't want to hear Gerard. I don't have to report anything to Gerard. I had to say anything to Gerard. F him. I had to say anything. Yes, you do. I think the days that she get the kids are in here. Because remember, it changed. The children began to reside with the person on the 10th day after the date the marriage occurred. So this was with Gerard as well. But Nisha has no priors of that. Nisha has never been in trouble. So that's nothing to even worry about. Now, this is a warning. A conservative commits offense punishable as a Class C misdemeanor if the conservative fails to provide any of the above notices, right? The duty of care, control, protection, and reasonable discipline of the children, the duty to support the children, including in providing the children with clothing, food, shelter, and medical and dental care not involving an invasive procedure. That's another reason why she went to jail as well, because of the fact was she didn't provide shelter. She does not buy them clothing. She don't go take and say, hey, Gerard, when is their dinner appointments? I need to take them to their appointments. She's not showing the judge she is trying. On top of it, she's not paying child support. Yeah, you get my drift. So to the state of Texas, when they go and look at this, and the judge, he has the right to make the decision, is saying, hey, she can continue to make babies. She's not trying to try. She doesn't want a job. She's neglecting the children as well as leaving the children. Hence her going back to California. That means she has a misdemeanor. Yeah, she has a misdemeanor on her record because she did not comply. She did not comply. She didn't comply at all. So now they're saying, okay, she hasn't got a job. She's showing up to her probation officer, but she ain't got no job. If she don't get a job within a certain time or either make a dent of her paying the child support, we're going to have to send her up the road. So now they're kind of like, we just going to continue to do that. Hence why I believe she also left Texas and talking about not going back. Yeah. She wasn't showing that she caring for the children, medical or anything of that. The right to consent for the children to the medical and dental care and not involving in an incessive procedure, meaning I would love to too. I gotta figure out who to contact, cause Tarrant County a little strict, boo. They're a little strict over there. She could take them for their checkups. She could take them to get their teeth cleaned, but anything concerning a surgery, Olivia cannot take the children. Okay? I don't know. She probably is. Okay. Now look at this. I'm going to say this, and I want Loyalty Gang to think of something. If Gerard Webb was such, think about who went to jail. Think about who did not. Let's be honest here. Gerard would have been in jail for in contempt. Why has Olivia been in jail for in contempt? Gerard follows the court documents. If she's claiming he don't, obviously he does, right? Why hasn't he not been arrested? It's going on a year since she got locked up. Why hasn't? Okay, yeah, see how you can get them. Because, girl, the last time I tried to get her stuff, they shut me down, honey. Why hasn't Gerard been arrested for in contempt? Why has she been arrested and have a mugshot? You got to make sense. He should have been arrested as well if he was not following court orders. Obviously, he's following them. Olivia is not. So let's read the things that Olivia has, shall we? Let's get to it. Okay. So this is Gerard's Webb way of saying, hey, Gerard, it is ordered. Court ordered, not Gerard Webb ordered. Court ordered. Gerard has the exclusive right to designate the primary residence of the children with Tarrant County or continues in Pinellas County of continuous counties. Okay, so meaning if he want to move to Florida because she was supposed to be there, or if he want to move to he can move. Like I said, told y'all before, Gerard can move anywhere in Texas. He has the sole custody of the children. Olivia only has visitation rights. It is right here in the paperwork. We're reading it. They probably do have them sealed, but that's why I say I'm going to have to ask again, because I know I got to email somebody, but I'm going to ask again. Oh, shoot, wait. Okay, y'all see it? It is ordered that Gerard Webb has the following rights with respect to the children. So I went ahead and got it to where it's bolded up because he can move anywhere he wants to. The right independent of Olivia Johnson to consent to medical, dental, and surgical treatments involving incessive procedures. The right, the independent of Olivia Johnson to consent to psychiatric and psychology treatment. The exclusive right to receive and give receipt for periodic payments for the support of the children and to hold or disperse these funds for the benefit of the children. So he has the right to that. The independent of Olivia Johnson to represent the children in legal, okay? The right by joint agreement to consent to marriage to the children's enlistment in the armed forces of the United States. The right independent of Olivia Johnson make decisions concerning the children's education, meaning whatever education he has for the children. Hey, Olivia, this is school they going to. He did right. Hey, Olivia, those are their schools. Listen, this is school address. This what time they have to be in school. This what time they need to be picked up. This is when they have a project due that is following on your week. That he did absolutely right. Olivia did not. She couldn't handle it. Right. Okay. The right independent of Olivia Johnson to the services and earnings of the children, except when the guardian of the children's estates or guardian or attorney ad limit has been appointed for the children. Now, if it was, I talked about the Romika case and how Romika's son, he has that was his guardian. She's no longer here. But because of the situation and the severity, they established him a guardian. Even though he has his auntie, he has his grandmother, he still has a guardian. Well, if Olivia wasn't up there and they feel like it's too much, yes, Olivia is the other parent, but they can also give a guardian for that child. But Gerard is here. So it really, you know what I'm saying? And probably, I believe that Nisha would be appointed the guardian than Olivia at some point. You see what I'm saying? So she, if anything, she will be the guardian for the children. So meaning now that they're married, okay, if anything happened, Nisha got the right to be the guardian. She is the wife. She has been taking care of them. She is appointed to do those things. Olivia is not. I don't know what in Olivia's mind who told her this, but Olivia is not that smart. Olivia Johnson to act as an agent of the children in solution to the children's estate of the children action is required by a state of the United States or foreign government. Olivia is to apply for passports for the children. Okay, boom. I'm glad we got there. Yes, last night when we talked about, she was like, well, why can't my kids go to Mexico? Yeah, baby, why can't they go? Olivia, I just read it to y'all. If they want to get the children passports, Olivia has to sign for it. Olivia cannot not sign for it. If she really wanted her children to go to Mexico, her and Gerard, the reason why Gerard didn't come to her with it, because he know Olivia not going to sign the paperwork and she is going to delay it every time. That is why they never got to go. It wasn't because Gerard, no. When they fly to these places, they would love to take the kids. But look who we're talking about. In the paperwork, she has every right to sit there and sign documents for the children to get a passport. She has to sign it because she is the mother. When you go do a passport, right? And the father of the child is on the birth certificate or the mother having the case, and the mother is still living and there are some custody issues, they have to get the father or the mother that is not in the home to sign and do the paperwork for a passport. That is the rule. It has never changed. I saw this woman, she married, her and her husband said they wanted to get him a passport. And it was like, when he's on a business trip, he's not here to do him a passport. He said, okay, well, we can sit here. You can have him come in or sign the documents. So they gave her the papers. When he came back, he signed the documents. She did what she had to do. Her son had a passport. even they're married or not, they have to go through the legal steps, because most parents feel like they would get these passports and not bring the child back to the States. But if she really wanted the Web3 to take these trips without her to all these places, if she knew how to co-parent correctly, her children could be seeing the world right now. He probably did ask her to get the kids' passports to go to Mexico, and she refused. You're absolutely right, she did. Because even with the court documents, she has every right to get that done. Every right. The only reason why she did not do it was because she felt neglect. She didn't want to let her children have fun without her and have memories. Yeah, she hasn't quit exactly at all. She don't want her children to enjoy their life without her. She loves that for them. Misery love company. I said that before. Olivia want everybody miserable because she miserable. I mean, the apple don't come far from the tree. She's miserable. Okay. All right. Child, has she respected this? Hell no. It is ordered that Olivia has the following rights with respect to the children, okay? So Gerard has to consent to medical, dental, and surgical agreements. He has that same right as well. They have to have conversations, right? So as I read that, it's the same as for Gerard. It is ordered that the parties will provide a safe, stable, and non-violent environment for the children. Can I tell y'all the truth? Them children, when they hey, Brandy. Really? You know what? Maybe that I ain't gonna lie to you, Brandy. They probably got them now because she ain't nowhere around. But I think in the beginning they didn't get them. Now that you said that, I didn't know they do that. So they must have started that because they probably got them now. They could got them now, but who knows? He'll never tell, and I don't blame him. So, yeah, Gerard can have his lawyer drop. And you know what he probably did? I'm going to just say that. You know what, Brandy? I'm glad you said that. I'm not taking up, but he probably did get some paperwork done, and they probably do have their passports. That makes sense. You got a point. You got a point. They probably got them now. And they probably planning for trips. You know what I'm saying? And they ain't saying nothing. So she can stay gone. I want them kids to see the world. They deserve it after being there with her. The things that they went through, them kids deserve that. Now, the parties were supposed to provide a safe, stable, and non-violent environment for the children, and will make reasonable attempts to assure that the child will have frequent and continuing contact, communications, and visitation between and amongst each parent and child to optimize the development of a close and continuing parent relationship, minimize disruption of each child's education, daily routines, and association with friends. So we have not seen the children in a non-violent environment at Olivia House at all. We have seen them fight. We have seen her get into it with the children. We have seen her do a thing of being non-emotional with her children and all of that, right? So they haven't had that at Olivia House. Hence to Nisha and Gerard House, it's probably a different story. But then when they go to her house, it's knocking on the door. That was against the court order as well. Y'all remember when she said they tried to say Nisha was knocking on the door and all of that. Messing with Robin, that was unstable. That's not safe. Having the children look outside the window when she was getting threats from Joey family, that's not safe. Having Gamer Bay and Joey there and cussing out the children, That's not safe. Telling Gamer Bay to pull up, if anything, to pew pew people, that's not a safe environment for the children. Roaches as they sleep on the floor, when you got roaches everywhere and you ain't got them no beds, that's not stable. So what are you saying? So you keep saying you want your kids, but you're not giving a stable, safe environment as the court asks for you to have. A stable, a safe, stable, and non-violent environment for the children. You have had none of that. And you're sitting here, you not communicating with your kids, you're not in continuing contact, it's been on and off, and your visitation is you pick them up when you feel like it, hence you saying F your kids, hence you're saying to your daughter, oh, keep your legs closed. That's where the smell is coming from. That's not stable. Watch your brother and sister, give them a bath, fix them something to eat. That's not, no, that's not what they should be there for. But you keep going on this narrative about how horrible this man is and about being a good parent, and you keep normalizing all of this mess. Okay? Now, here is the thing. Gerard has the right to the children. So if he wanted to move to Florida or he wanted to move to Tarrant County, he had that right in his jurisdiction. The child means each person, whether or more subject of the suit, while under the age of 18. All of y'all that keep saying she can get her kids back, what she got to do to fight for her kids back, it clearly states that the children will be with Gerard till the age of 18. She's never getting them kids back. Oh, I'm gonna do pay. You cannot, like, girl, you can't even take this to the appeal court. You had your chance. Here we go. The conservator shall have possession of the children at time mutually agreed in advance by the conservators, and in the absence of mutual agreement, the conservator shall have possession of the children under the specific terms set out in this order. It is ordered, okay, that except or otherwise expressly provided in this order, when Olivia Johnson resides 100 miles or half from the primary residence of the children, Olivia Johnson shall have the right to possession of the children as follows: the weekends. Hold on. She only got weekends. Okay? Let me see if I can get the part two. She only got weekends. I think it was 7 months ago. Let me go to clock. I think she got it too. It was only on weekends, y'all. Olivia got weekends and certain holidays. So all that shit so she also, let me share my screen again. Never getting them back. She had weekends and odd days, and I wanted to show that to everybody, but I'm gonna find it. This one, court order show children removed against order. Okay. Let's get to the nitty gritty. She probably on live talking shit right now. Hold on, let me see. Oh, she ended the live 6 minutes ago. Hold on. Oh, you over here, Olivia? Hold on. Child. She's trying to specify them guys. She was trying to specify them damn. Yeah. Fridays through Sundays. She was picking them up. She got them from 6 p.m. to Sunday at 6 p.m. And then she dropped them off at school on Monday. Absolutely. So, and she also had different days. All right, let's read what happened in 2020. So that was part of it. This is all what happened in 2020. Okay. Olivia Hence did not get her children. Then we're gonna go to the Colorist Live that she did. Child. So the case was filed by the Office of Attorney General on November 16, 2020. Both parties and the children reside in the state of Texas at that time. Now, this happened all in 2020. The respondent was the mother, Olivia Johnson, was served with pleading filed by the Office of the Attorney General on December 4th of 2020. Gerard filed his counterpetition to suit affecting the parent-child relationship on January 1st of 2021. I think between January 21st, 2021, my bad. Both parties and the children reside in the state of Texas until January 29th. Responded, this is when she removed the children and there were court order for her to bring the children back to Texas. Y'all get comfortable. We're going to be here for a minute. Get comfortable. On January, now she talked about Hayden Panettiere. I hope I said her last name right. I'm going to call her Hayden P. Make she rest. And said that, she was forced to do that. She wasn't forced to do that. She gave it up willingly, where we can see your paperwork. It's not willingly. You didn't willingly give your child to the father. You purposely did just to prove a point. And now you're sitting online crying and huffing and puffing about it, okay? When Olivia moved with the children to the state of Florida, as detailed herein, prior to filing of this case, the parties previously lived in the state of Texas, the state of Florida, and the state of California. When asked by the court about her, hold on. Let me go to it. I want to make sure y'all, the loyalty gang, see this clear as day. When asked by the court about her dismissal, Olivia Johnson mentioned California. That's how he said, remember Gerard said, I paid child support in Texas and in California, and I had to get my money back because she told them that she moved from California and just moved around everywhere trying to find her footing or whatever the case may be. That's why he was paying that, because she used Stella's address. Lie again. That's why you had to pay him back plus that child support. That's why you don't want to pay him back, boo-boo kitty. Fraudulent ass. They should have locked your ass up then. But they were nice to say no. Pay him back. Hello, phone a friend? Girl. Gerard, the father of the children, left the state of Florida in August of 2020. Gerard returned to the state of Texas in August of 2020. Oh, Texas and Florida he paid. Okay. I'm sorry. Thank you, Natural Cuteness. Yeah. He paid in California while he was living at her grandmother's house. Okay, then. So that's why they asked her about. Thank you, Natural Cuteness. I'm sitting there talking my shit and fucking up. The education records admit into the evidence and was enrolled. Child. Honey. They was enrolled in school by August 31st. School started in August 6th to the 7th. Olivia and the children, subject of this suit, stayed in Texas on January 29th of 2021. when Olivia Johnson wrongfully moved with the children to the state of Florida. So, my bad, they weren't enrolled in school in Florida. My bad, I'm fucking up. They was enrolled in the state of Texas by August 31st in school. So, she live on TikTok. I'm finna go be nosy. They was enrolled in the state of Texas. Hold on, y'all. Get back into this one. Can I get into my other? No, I need my other one. Keep logging me into this one. I need to log in my other one. Here we go. Yes, I got a backup TikTok. Don't blame me. I pop my shit when people pop their shit with me. I forgot the goddamn. Child, hold on, y'all.
Okay. But anyway, everybody tap the screen. I guess we're not. Oh, we are gonna get doubles. We're gonna get doubles.
Yeah, she don't have 50-50. She had to pay him back. Yeah.
I'm gonna leave soon, anyways. I have like 2 minutes, 4 minutes.
She had to pay him back. She had to pay him back. It's in the court documents. She had to pay him back, and he was the court issued a temporary restraining order against Olivia for removing the children from the state of Texas on January 27th. They also were served to Olivia Johnson and Tilton made at her residence in Grand Prairie, Texas, but they realized that that's where she was running, and they realized, and they finally got a contact with her in February when they realized that her motherfucking ass was in the state of Florida. Yeah. Yeah, let me pull it up for y'all. Hold on. We're gonna come back to TikTok. We'll skip the colorism and go and watch her TikTok. I'll fix my thing. But yeah, they put a restraining order against her because how she left the children. That was set in by retained counsel. Here you go. She had a temporary restraining order. And then, yeah, so all of that, oh, he took her kids is not the truth. They even got evidence that her boyfriend, his real name is not Brandon. Brandon's real name ain't Brandon. And this is in the court documents as well. Brandon, certainly the record shows significant connections and substantial evidence connection between the children in the state of Texas. So Brandon was also in there as well as Zolo. Mm-hmm. So all of that, oh, he took my kids. That's not true. We gonna pop back up with part 2 this weekend. Don't worry. Let's see what she talking about. Let's see what's going on with this man.
Anyways,
That's her
I love-
nobody loves you.
man.
What happened to you?
They're just mad because I'm
Are you a
pretty.
bad girl?
I'm pretty and they're
Are you a
not.
bad girl?
Oh,
Bad girl? I'm a good girl. I'm a very good girl.
Why everybody telling me the same thing?
oh.
Up with your phone.
Huh?
So excuse me. So they telling her in the
Everybody
chat.
telling me the same thing. What happened?
They're obsessed. My chat is saying they're obsessed. They are obsessed with me. They're obsessed.
So
Y'all tap the screen. We gotta get more taps.
they're telling him in the chat that she has multiple baby daddies and she don't have her children, and she's lying on TikTok right now. Yes, they are tearing that
You guys,
ass
please.
up.
Nothing happened. She has haters because she's a YouTuber.
Yeah, I'm a
Are
big
you-
YouTuber. I have over 100,000 subscribers.
100,000 subscribers? do you
Yeah,
do?
I've been doing YouTube for a long time.
Yeah, but what kind of thing you do in your in your page?
What do I
You,
do?
you dance? Wait, can you send me a line, please? Somebody can send me a line, please. I need a line. Oh, mommy content. Okay. Oh, you mommy content. Okay.
Yeah, mommy content.
Wow.
Okay, so let's see who's over here talking mess.
Okay. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna follow you. Okay.
Okay, wait,
She's
hold
a-
on. Don't go nowhere. Just wait 1 second. Yeah, follow me. I'm gonna follow you too, okay? Oh, I think he's doing DoorDash.
No,
Are you doing DoorDash?
not DoorDash. Uber.
Oh, Uber. Okay, you go do your thing. I'm gonna follow you too.
She's clean. They told me you clean. You clean. Okay, you clean. I'm gonna follow you. You clean.
Bye.
I'll change it
No,
later.
I'm not leaving yet.
Oh, I thought you were leaving. Okay.
No,
Let me see
I'm
if
not
I
leaving
can
yet.
change it on you.
So you have a girlfriend?
No, I'm
Yes,
free.
she bad.
Oh, that's cool.
Now
So
she
you don't even have a
definitely
girlfriend?
have a girlfriend.
I mean, if you don't mind, I have a lot of kids. Do you care?
Oh, I don't mind.
Oh, you don't mind, period. Big dot. That's what I'm talking about.
oh, now she trying to hook
So
up with the man.
I speak English, Spanish, and other language. So
Ooh, where are you from? Like, where are you from? Like,
I'm in Caribbean.
Caribbean. Okay, that's beautiful. I love that.
Where you from?
I'm in LA. Cali.
California. Okay.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, a lot of my haters, they always tell me that I'll never find a man because I have a lot of kids. What do you think?
You're so pretty. You're very cute. So what happened?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. I see mom like with 7 kids and they get married. So
That's right. I know that's true. Mm-hmm. That's right.
don't listen to them. Okay.
Thank you. I won't.
Just come to see your future husband.
Period. Okay, maybe I can get a free Uber ride.
You're gonna come see me?
You're in Massachusetts?
Yeah, Massachusetts.
Maybe. You should DM me.
Okay, I'm gonna DM you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna DM you. So I'm gonna take your number phone.
Wow.
You take my number, so we call
He
every
trying
day,
to
every time.
hit.
Every day. Yeah.
So, and we have to swim together because I think
Yeah,
you're
we do. We definitely have to stream together every day.
every day. Yeah, every day.
Yeah.
Mm.
You got a It's a son or daughter?
The little girl.
Oh, you know the girl. Okay, she's pretty like you.
Thank
pretty.
you.
Child.
I like your tattoos too. So
Do you have kids?
not yet.
Not yet. That's good. How old are you?
29.
Oh, you're a baby.
No, I'm not a
She
baby.
very thirsty.
I'm an old lady.
How old are you?
36.
Ah,
Oh,
I'm old.
that's fine. Young man, you know what I mean, young man?
Young man. Yeah, I know. A lot of older women are getting with young men these days.
Because
now she finna try to.
I mean, young man and black man, you know how? Yeah, you know.
yeah.
Wait a minute. You finna trigger what I told the girl, you ain't it. You just nasty. You just nasty. Yeah, he for the streets.
Period. For
You know?
unfortunately.
Wow.
Fair.
You're smart. You're very smart.
What?
I'm very smart.
My girl.
I know he lied.
Okay, you go work. I'm gonna talk to you later.
I know
Okay,
he
baby.
lied.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.
She very smart.
Period. Kids ain't gonna stop a motherfucking thing, bitch. Okay. So you got a lot of kids. Bitch, just because you're ugly doesn't mean I'm ugly.
There she goes.
It's different over here, honey. You want to talk about pretty privilege? This is where the pretty privilege comes into play. You hear me?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can put the money she don't got.
Shit, I can have 10, 20 kids. Still gonna get the business.
Told you the baby
Okay,
is a
you
problem.
should, go to sleep. Okay.
Yeah, he the 5th baby daddy.
She. Why you?
She's so
always
look,
mad
she's so
talking to
happy she
somebody.
got man attention.
What you mad talking me for? You just want mommy hold you? You look very
Ego
comfortable
privilege, absolutely.
in your comfortable seat. Do you need
What
some
they
blankets?
say, have you ever worked or just work?
Here's some blankets, okay?
Just
Girl.
like here in the UK.
She's like, what do you lay me down for, ma'am? Malia, it cannot be that comfortable to be pushed up on mommy all the time. Like, I don't want to, you're just too used to mommy holding you all the time, girl. You are spoiled. Oh, look at her yawning. Oh, she's so cute.
Yeah, she got a hairpiece
He was kind of
on.
cute. Yeah, he was really cute. He was very cute.
He was cute.
He was handsome.
Oh yeah, with that ponytail at the top.
But
Yeah.
that's why I be telling y'all, the opportunities,
You want
body exposure.
dusty men. Nobody want that young ass boy. Nobody want him but you.
I don't have any body exposure. Oh, you guys were, you know what ugly privilege is? Ugly privilege is when you're liked by a lot of females.
Mom, turn the light off.
What?
No, I need the light on.
But the baby gets now out here.
Okay, but I need the light on, AJ. I actually have to go.
What she just say? She's easy.
The haters or something else. Girl, they were over there messing up the game, bro. AJ, leave her alone.
Look it, guys. Look it in her.
Was the kid from a one night stand? Yeah. All three of my other kids were one night stands.
Yeah, a positive attitude is gone.
Yeah, sure were.
Guys, look.
I really don't need makeup. Oh, thank you. I love makeup though. I just put it on because I like it, yes. She said no, they weren't. Yes, they were, girl. Let's make the situation as worse as it can be, okay? We get more views that way. Yes, they're all one night stand babies. I'm poor. I'm homeless. I live with my mom. Girl, let's dress. Come on. Gotta get it going. We gotta get it going. Okay? Whatever we gotta say.
Girl.
Gotta make it, gotta make it work. Make it work.
He forgot who is by now, right?
Okay, so I want to
Well,
troll.
you
What should I
left
say
on
next?
Juicy. Where we Juicy.
You troll on YouTube. You ain't done.
Y'all, we gotta hit these goals too. Like,
Yes.
come on now. We have
How
to be
many
able to get
people
roses
she got
and
in
stuff.
here?
Like, birth control is
Girl.
needed. No, I'm not taking birth control.
Ain't nobody fucking with you. Somebody say you are poor. Somebody said birth control is needed. Lord Jesus.
Do you want to have 15 kids? I think 15 is a little much. Maybe we should stop at 12.
Child.
Maybe that's what I should do. Maybe I should look like some candidates for the next baby daddies.
Yeah, she don't take birth
That's what I'm
control.
gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna do.
Yeah. All she got,
Don't touch her
listen.
head.
All they got to do is say she cute. And Olivia sit her tail there and throw her legs open like it's like a goddamn in and out burger shop, 24 hours.
I think 10 is a good number. Live plus 10. You feel me? Live plus 10.
She ain't lying. She gonna have it. She gonna have 10 kids.
I like it.
I just lay next to you.
So let's try 10. So we need 4 more baby daddies. I don't want twins. No twins. No twins. No twins. Thank you for the heart, me. Thank you, baby. Thank you, y'all. Okay, so let's find a suitor. Okay, qualified suitor.
She ain't
Thank you for
lying.
the
She
finger
for real.
heart, Mellow. How many abortions? About 20. Yeah, I've had about 20 abortions. Okay.
Mom, look.
Okay, AJ.
Look. Look at the
Okay, don't lean on her. Don't lean on her. Malia. I wish y'all to see her face. Like her eyes are so
Very
pretty.
sick and sad.
How do I turn this camera? Like this? Yeah.
Look at her.
She
can't
ain't.
really see
She
her
said,
eyes.
wait a minute.
AJ, stop.
Granny, I am here.
You can't really see her
She
eyes.
say, get it out. I wouldn't be
I guess
surprised
she's under
either.
the ring light.
So I want to know where the new man gonna stay at, y'all. This is my question: is the new man gonna stay at Stella House, or they gonna go to the abando? Where they going? I want to know where they gonna live.
No, the basement, not the garage.
They saying you in the garage, girl.
Not the garage, it's the basement.
Get down up there.
Somebody said 40. Girl, wait, hold on. 40 years old, living in your mom's garage. She say not the garage, the basement. Somebody say, what's wrong with her mouth?
Why don't you come with me in the office?
No, I don't.
She has thrush.
Ah! Ah!
Shut the door.
She got to be
My air's going
embarrassed.
out.
She got to be embarrassed.
How are you treating it? I'm not doing anything for it.
Same color as yours. Light brown. You're giving her moldy milk. I'm not for to play with y'all, man.
Mom.
Yeah, giving her moldy milk. Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
Are you gonna get a heart me? Anybody who doesn't have a heart me, I'm gonna have to start blocking you guys. So
Mom.
let's block this person.
Not
It's
she
not fun.
can
I'm not
block
gonna go
them.
back and
They
forth.
say
Unless you guys are gonna
neglect.
come up here and talk this mess to my face,
That's
girl, it's
smart.
not even worth it. I'm not going back with a screen name.
Look.
I see the baby. I see her. She's chilling. Leave her alone. Y'all can request stuff though if you have something to say to me.
Oh, y'all request
She needs to see a
up.
doctor, or are you trolling? None of your business, really, honestly, truly. Are you finna spend a bag? Are you finna drop some money? No? Okay, then it's
Yeah, she hoping they blue. I need somebody to come up there. Yep.
Nice day.
Talking to AJ, yeah.
And how about this person?
Yeah, Adam.
Thank you.
Adam.
You're blocked too.
No, don't block
Anybody who talks
Adam.
about that
Hey,
devil
Lynn.
in my chat will be blocked. Thank you for the heart, me daughter. Thank you, baby. What did I name her? I named her Malia. Yes, baby. Malia. Thank you for the 16K.
Yeah, they gonna be
We are
ground.
moving on up, honey. Period. First of all, okay, so the next time I couldn't get the people's. Damn, I should have got their freaking. I was trying to block
Child,
them
she
from
really
his chat, but I
embarrassed.
can't block.
Me too.
Yeah, because I can't go into my. Oh, I can make my. How can I do that? Because if I'm on my account on this phone and I go into the other person's chat, how can I block them from their chat? Because I won't be able to see the live. I won't be
What
able to. I just
did
have to
you
block them
name her,
from
Liv?
my
She
end.
needs to see a
Okay.
doctor.
That's fine.
You trolling? Oh,
If you're a mod, I believe. I can only do that if they're in my chat.
she needs
But
to
like from
see.
somebody
So
else's
Megs,
chat.
Meg say she need to see a doctor. Laugh out loud. You trolling. If you a mod, I
To block them on my page, I would have to be on my. I'm on two phones. I
she
can't be on. Hey,
She
I can't
just
be on
said
live
it.
on two phones.
So,
Chill out.
so my question
You
is,
don't play rough around the baby.
why can't she just say it on yeah, she had threads, but say the baby had a mint mouth yesterday on YouTube. Right. That's why I'm glad she went live on TikTok when we caught it. Because Olivia has a tendency of lying. But now she want to say she got thrash. Yeah, she got it. I ain't treating nothing for it. But on YouTube, I don't know why you guys make me a bad mom. I don't know why. So now she got all these different personalities going on.
No. Goodbye. Go over there.
Right.
You don't
She
need
knew
to get
that.
under
Yeah,
the
she know that baby got
blanket like that,
thrush.
Thank you for the rose starting over.
That's why she was explaining
No,
what
don't give that to
baby
this baby.
bottle it was. Talking about it was a 6-pack from Walmart, and it's really not.
Thank you. Thank you for the finger heart, daughter. Thank you.
She's still lying, y'all.
Top. Walmart.
Where's the tank top from? Now she don't block somebody for asking to tell her saying to take the baby to the doctor. Somebody needs to go over there and fake it like you're a sub and mod for her. That way you lead a troll. Somebody do need to do it. I have to change my name. Here she go, not watching a baby to watch a chat while that little boy's on the bed. Yeah. Absolutely.
Okay, get out. Thank you. Hand me that one now. And get out. Bye-bye.
She getting kicked out again, y'all.
Put your shoes on.
Anybody, hold on. Anybody from LSA, this is what I want y'all to do. I want y'all to go over there, make a fake TikTok right now. Act like y'all one of the subbies and go ahead and leave the negative people in the chat. Make it might as well make it entertaining. She'll probably watch this later and talk shit.
No, Boo City. I do like being back in LA though. No.
There she go singing that song, child. Liv, do you like being back in LA?
Thank you. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How are you?
You'll do it, Ella? Okay, go ahead, girl.
Are you battling?
Do you want to battle?
If you're battling, are you not battling?
Herself trying to push her titties up to the man, y'all.
Okay. It's okay then. I could just hit you up later.
All right.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
I need a drink.
Not you need a drink. You just had a baby.
These random ass people.
Who you looking for? You looking for one of your baby daddies? That's who I want to see on her TikTok. One of her baby daddies. I would battle for that. Battle for back and forth about kids. That's what we want to see.
Yes, if you guys are coming in or you guys are just in here, please grab a heart me. It's 1 cent, literally.
Girl, fuck you.
1 cent.
We watch it for entertainment purposes only.
Oh no. Ooh, who's that? Who gave me that heart me? Thank you, Robin. Thank you. Thank you for the applause, Ashley. Thank you, baby. What happened, Mama?
Child, I want one of the baby daddies to come on now. I really, really do.
Okay, we can't find nobody. We can't find nobody to battle.
Be like, yeah, let's battle. And then they just start cussing her out.
This is whack.
And she ain't got no personality.
I'll try to be randoms. I can't clean the camera now.
Oh, you blocked CC? I am too. I had to make another one.
I already cleaned it, darling.
Y'all want me to tell you when she blocked me?
Heart me cupcake. I didn't see your heart me. Thank you, baby. Oh,
so Olivia blocked me like last year before doing the scam. Cause it was a girl on there talking about her that was on there when they talked about the colorist situation. And she had already talked about Olivia having all them kids. And I had told her, I gave her a fill-in about what happened to her other kids. And she had tagged Olivia in it. Because Olivia was already tagged as a response when she was trying to be real viral. And she blocked me. So for all the people to be like, I don't even know who she is. She know who the fuck I was a long time ago off TikTok. She knew who it was anyway. Olivia lied too damn much.
You Poochie, thank you.
Just like she claims she don't know Carrie.
I mean, we could, but I don't feel like it. I really don't. Hey, Risa. Hey, Sagittarius. Thank you, baby. Mello sent me a heart puff. Thank you, love. Thank you, lovey dovey's. And yeah.
Girl, you ain't gonna
so
talk.
Natural. Of course.
She ain't got no choice, y'all.
Y'all like the puff?
She ain't got no
the
choice.
Going today, honey.
She can't wear them wigs at her mama's house.
Do I have a 401k? No, but your daddy does, and he'll give me some of his. How's postpartum treating you? It's good, baby. It's not too bad. I think I have like it's a tension headache. That's what this is.
What did you say? What is you under?
So tight. Your hair's grown a lot. It has bum, no future. Yep, just like you. Loser. I want to be just like you when I grow up. A big fucking loser on TikTok. Please let me turn out just like you.
She ain't block you. I think she waiting on you to say something else.
Honestly.
Somebody laughing.
Honestly, truly. That is the goal. They have no idea
how
inspiring
drinking.
They really are.
Somebody laughing. Somebody said, why? Girl, don't nobody give a fuck about that mixed gay lesbian over there you playing. That mixed gay lesbian. Child. Yeah, it looked like that too. Ella said she a bum with no future. She say I'm never gonna. Okay, let me see if she's still. Oh yeah, I'll wait till she done. Hey, Pounds. Child, listen to that gay little lesbian over there. Nah, she can't dance, Tay. Tati, I mean, hey. She ain't saying nothing. The mixed gay lesbian. He is. Why she ain't listening to Kendrick? Ain't she in LA? Age 40, mental 16. Deuce 80820 said, are you drinking? Somebody say this is embarrassing. And she drinking out. Okay, she drinking out the water bottle. That ain't water. Acting like a teenager. Do you have a gummy? Oh, them singing a song. Let's see if the song's still playing.
Bruh, give my phone.
What I did.
Girl, now she finna sing this to the baby. Yeah, that's liquor. That's tequila. Now she's singing this song. So is your PFP. Child, she drunk or high. She is. Why she holding that baby like that? Hold her head, girl. Poor baby. All right, you guys, it's 2026. We're now watching 16 and Pregnant. Teen mom, Olivia Nicole Johnson. These kids been in the garage all day. Right, why the kids ain't sleep? Look how she looking at it. Did she block them? She blocked them. She don't block Ella, y'all. At her grandma's house. She swears she can dance. She got 112 people over there. She talks to AJ, stop it. Yeah, she needs to be comforted. Yeah, because they tearing her ass up on TikTok.
Hey.
Child. She could have wiped it, but she's so corny. She ain't got no motion. No motion. She can't dance. It's all off balance. Yeah, Ella, she don't block Ella for telling her the kids been in the garage all day. Ella probably making another page, y'all. Child. Hey, say cheese. She wiping that baby neck now because she know she trying to wipe that baby tongue. Either she wiping that baby tongue or she wiping that baby neck. She wiping. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see if we can hear without the music.
I need to start doing TikToks with AJ. That's what I need to start doing because he's so musically inclined. Hey.
The Jay said I would cry. I would cry if this was God's plan for me. I would cry. She cleaning out her tongue.
God's plan. Hey. Hey.
Exactly. It's embarrassing, girl. Thank you.
Hey, mama, the poo-poo coming.
She winning.
The poo-poo.
She cannot hold that baby head properly.
Day for 30 days. I have to force myself because I have to get out of this feeling where I'm scared or I'm not scared, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm just not used to it.
Not they say that. Ooh, they say thank God. Child. I become a nun too.
Please, we're not playing the same song anymore.
And Living Loca said, cry over your profile picture. Shut up. Is he over there cussing? AJ cussing, y'all. He just said, I don't give a fuck if you love me.
No, shut the door. What did I miss?
Oh, look at her back fat in her arm.
What I miss? What I miss?
Yeah, with a baby wipe. Child. Just to have a baby, that's all it is. But she doesn't know how to tend to take. She doesn't, Brianna. She don't, and it's sad as hell. What we're looking at is a grown ass woman about 40 closing the bedroom door, playing music like she on 16 and pregnant, aka teen mom. Now she cleaning the baby and changing her. She changed her diaper. Oh, she changed her diaper. Okay, Miss Stacy. But that's what it gives. Yeah, she don't know nobody like her over there on TikTok. She know that. Then she go kissing on the baby. Look at the poor baby. Poor baby. Poor baby. This shit give it sick. Oh, wait a minute. The J is going off on somebody. He said, it's my ops dead family member. I'm sure they are crying. Oh my God. It's so cute when the babies know the words. You should too. Ooh. Loyalty game slow as hell.
No.
Oh, she ain't clean that baby tongue. My bad, y'all. Girl, that baby still got thrash.
Girl, you need to look at the camera.
Oh, look. That baby say, please stop kissing me. Starting over, what kind of dog? Chucky? Oh, oh my God. Not starting over. They say, what kind of dog?
Yeah,
Chucky?
let's go.
When I was looking at y'all and cooking with y'all and giving out verses and bookings to y'all, making sure eyes with Hitman, what did I miss?
Child. Look how she looking like, oh God, you first. And this would change nothing about her current life. Oh my God, they getting crazy over there in the chat, y'all. They getting crazy over there in the chat. So Living Loca, one of the loyalty gangs, done told the J that he need to go and fall over with one of his family members. And the Jace told Living Local that she need to go first, and Olivia's still gonna be a bum. Girl. Wait a minute, not they calling the little girl, they calling Magenta Crayola a boy. The girl Lauren said, oh, another set of 2 boys and a girl. Congrats. Not they call that little baby, they called the little baby a boy. Baby, when I tell you.
Like, damn, Drake's been around forever. Like,
TikTok just summarized this live as you were a widow. Ooh.
Like, oh my God. Y'all remember this song?
Oh yeah.
But wait, no, this wasn't it either.
Girl, no, that's not the song. I know what song you're trying
Wait,
to
that's the
sing.
same fucking song. No, I'm getting distracted. Yes, that song, but wait, hold on. The other one.
If I think what she's saying, that is not his first song.
But
baby, they is tearing her up. They done called Baby Crayola a boy.
Here, take the phone. Don't change the song.
Now everybody know this song. Child. That's when Drake was an original. He a old coon now. He an Olivia, a male version of Olivia to me. So somebody said Marvin's Room, and then Living Loca said thank you. Living Loca, they is tearing you up. She playing Marvin's. She think about Gerard. Child, she gotta think of Gerard on this one.
Good times, honey.
She thinking about that ex-husband. He did do better. He did do better. He did do better, girl. It ain't you. Yeah, she thinking about Gerard. He did better. While you with the third child. She think the baby kissing on her. Look. Not that. Then she go kissing all under the mouth. Yeah, that's why the judge said no. Can't even hold the baby head straight.
Was great too.
Flights in the morning. What you doing is so important.
One of her subscribers, I'm having a baby boy. I'm having a baby boy. I miss having a newborn. I'm having a baby boy. Girl, listen, people. Olivia want to be part of Blueface. I told y'all that. Shout out to Carrie for playing that. Y'all remember I said she want to be a Blueface girl. And I told y'all she wanted to be a Blueface girl. I've been said that. Not baby corpse. I'm done with y'all. She moved out there to be with Blueface, y'all. She want to be the other woman. That's why he's such a guy. She got to get in contact with him. She got to what else did she say? She said that. Oh wait, what is she saying? Hold on.
Okay, that's enough.
Is this your favorite?
It's not my favorite, but I like it. Girl, you had another one? Yes.
Child, not they say, girl, you had another one. Yeah, she wanted to have his baby. But have she seen how he treated Nevaeh? Oh, okay. Y'all seen how he been treating her, right? Oh, okay. Yeah, he gonna look right by her. She playing this again, huh? Now it's God's plan, but you were just crying on here talking about, oh, what she said, you guys gotta stop saying that I replaced my baby. Please stop saying that. Stop saying I replaced my baby. I didn't replace my kids. I'm gonna love them.
Look, Mom.
Dang, she ain't talking about nothing. They ain't even fucking with her.
Mom, look on her iPad.
Hi, Renee.
Oh.
I see. Okay, so I'm gonna go. Make sure you guys follow me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom,
You guys follow me.
yeah.
Thank you. Turn it down.
All right, so she getting off. What is that rats up on her damn head? A puffball. I'm gonna go, guys. I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna go, guys. I'm gonna get off, okay? Don't forget to follow my stuff. Okay, guys. Let's see if she really ended. Yeah. She ended the live. Child, they don't put Joey up here catfishing. Child. All right, y'all. I'm finna get on off here. And yeah, God ain't got nothing for her. And I found that video, y'all. Hold on. I know y'all seen the short if you haven't. So remember yesterday, I'm gonna play this on our way out. I want to play this a little bit.
She was driving. I thought a man was driving her. That's what they said in the beginning. She caused the accident and she killed somebody else. She was drunk driving. Bendeja.
Yep, numerous times.
Can you believe that shit? Like, what an idiot. I'm sorry, but that's like not okay. Like, girl. And then they played her Snapchat story. Was that her Snapchat or her Instagram story? I don't know. It was her that night drinking. Girl, she was taking them shots down. Girl, if you're drinking like that, just take a Uber. It's not that serious. She was a passenger. No, she was the driver. That's what they're saying. I thought she was the... I don't know how they spinned it around and made her the victim of the whole thing. But... it's just unfortunate. It's just a sad situation. Because imagine those babies will never see their mama again. Like, it's just a sad situation. Like I said, I just don't understand why she wasn't thinking about her kids. Ghosted my babies.
Oh, we finna get to that.
I'm gonna do what you guys want me to do. I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna do what everybody wants me to do. What everyone's pushing me to do, I'm gonna do. And remember,
So that caption said she was sober trying to end her life over Gerard picking up the kids that she forgot to pick up. Trying to end her and Kalani's life while AJ was in daycare. Sober. Rattling and shaking. How disturbing is that?
she was driving.
But you were sitting there doing all of that. How disturbing. Let me go. I forgot about Zolo. So Zolo posted Donna being sick. And he's posting little stuff to make people think something wrong. And I'm going to say this, Donna's sick. I think it is something going on, but I don't think, I don't know what he told her. The doctor told him about her health, but.
See, I do. Hello, how are you? She eating her little breakfast. Yo, I know y'all ain't used to seeing the boo like this, but she pulling through. She's strong.
Something is wrong.
Ain't that right, boo? That's right. You eat your. See, I do. Worry about it too much, but it was almost like the doctor was saying, like her heart is like her heart isn't strong enough to.
Basically, Miss Donna probably does have to have a triple bypass surgery because her heart isn't strong enough to do what is supposed to happen. So she got heart issues. Now, I don't know her age, but she probably does have to have a heart surgery. Hey, Conscious, which is, she probably has to, I don't know, honey, but she got to go, she got to have a heart surgery. And it sounds like, that's what it sounds like. And her heart isn't, they got to do what they got to do.
Pump the blood, like squeeze the blood the way it's supposed to. Something like that. And it's like, it's a lot of things are going wrong due to her heart. And it's very scary. It's very scary to me.
Can I tell y'all something? Miss Donna, I'm finna tell y'all something. Miss Donna has really been the only, Just Jules, I'm finna be honest with you. She's been the only, even though she is his wife, that's the only sort of woman that's like a mother figure in his life. Oh, because if it's and I feel like, I'm finna be honest with y'all. I'm finna be honest. That would hurt him. Zolo never felt loved with nobody. So to him, in his eyes, Miss Donna is the only woman that made him feel love. Yeah, he is. He being dramatic. He's being very dramatic. Very dramatic. I'm praying she get better too. So I think that's what it is. He wants her gone about. You never know. But the way this man look like he about to cry, we'll have to wait and see.
Stressful too, because with the heart, that's the one thing that you never know when something gonna happen.
And he's scared. Zolo is being taken care of. He's been taken care of. So if something happened to Miss Donna, he don't know what to do. I'm just gonna tell you straight up. He ain't gonna know what to do. He ain't gonna know what to do.
Your heart is just I
think he grown to love her too.
No matter what you do.
Yeah.
10 toes down, trying to feed the family as a man.
Oh no, baby. Keep that.
Because rainy days gonna come. You just don't never know when they coming. What if it was a day he lost his job? When your loved one can't go do the grocery shop, or can't.
Did you cut that hair off?
Whatever you need them to do for you, for a period of time. What happens? I just want to say thank you so much to all of our supporters for the love and support. And for all the prayers. I'm going to make sure that she sees this and she gets it. Thank you.
It's been a long day.
So he said just the thought of losing that one person you can never get back will kill me deep inside. So basically he said just him thinking like, if something happened to her, y'all ain't seen shit yet. That's what he's saying. If something happened to her, Y'all ain't seen shit yet. Little girl might want to keep her mouth closed. I know it may seem like I'm showing up to handle this, but it's killing me deep inside on the inside. Please play for me. First time you'll ever see me cry. Sometimes the truth hurts, but this is what it is. She is my beautiful wife and will always be. So it's something going on with her heart that he ain't talk about. So ain't no telling. I pray she get better. I really, really do. I hope she okay. I'm serious. She does need a nutritionist. She need to get back to the gym. She really do. She really do. Yeah, he took a picture of him crying. Donna's son brought her to the hospital. Zolo didn't know what hospital. What? Girl, no! Miss Barbara, you lied, girl. Well, you know the son don't like him. He said it. Miss Barbara. He don't you mean his child, his daughter? Because I still say, just because that little boy looked like him, I don't know. His daughter. Yeah, of course. I don't blame her either. I don't blame her son for doing that. I don't. I don't. I'm just gonna. I do not blame. I don't blame the son. She said that, but here is my thing. I'm finna be honest with y'all. I don't think he'll go back to Olivia. I'm gonna tell y'all why. Olivia got another child to feed and take care of. She got 2 children. I don't think he would go back to her. Will he go to somebody else? Absolutely. I don't think he would go back to her. Yeah, last year, but think about it. She just had another child. He'll be dumb if he go back to Olivia. I don't think any of Olivia's exes will go back to her. I really don't. I don't. And the reason I say that is because the fact is Olivia would probably have another child. Like, we just have to be honest about that. I just don't. Yeah, I don't think he would go back to her. Yeah, he's not going to go deal with that. But he could be exploring, but I don't think he would. Olivia just had another baby and talking about having another baby with another man. I don't think Gamer Bay is going to go back. He's the only person that'll go back. Got to think about it. Gerard went back at one point. It didn't work out. Zolo did go back after he trashed her. It didn't work out. Joey went back. It didn't work out. Gamer Bay is teeter-totting. It ain't working out. Every time she have another child, those men are not going to go back. They're just not. So I don't think he's going to go back to Olivia. Do I think Olivia would like for that to happen? Absolutely. Of course she would. Why wouldn't she? She would love that. So she could put it in everybody's face and it makes her feel good. But I don't think, yeah, something in the milk. I said that too when I first seen it. I say something ain't right. Something just not right. I'm being biased with the feelings. Well, unbiased, not biased, unbiased. I think it's unbiased because I don't want to sit here and say, oh, he gonna feel sad. And then I don't want to sit there and say, I just feel unbiased because I'm not sure what his feelings are when it comes to this situation. But do I also feel like something's not right? Absolutely. I'm not gonna lie. Am I looking at it kind of sideways? Maybe there was a conversation, absolutely. But let's be clear. I would not think that he would go back to Olivia. Olivia has nothing. Olivia is in her mama garage with 3 babies, no job, nowhere to live, just a car, still ain't bathing, and ain't take care of her kids properly. I don't think he'll go back to that. That is over. That has been over going on AJ is 5, 6 years. So I don't believe that. Olivia has nothing to offer. Like, men going back to something that has nothing to offer, or even have something going for themselves, they would not do it. That is when these men have elevated. Why would you go back to somebody that's in their mama garage with the baby with a white tongue, not being bathed properly, even her, and the kids don't bathe? Thank you. Yeah, hit the like button. Thank you, Lynn. Make sure y'all hit that like button. But why would anybody go back to that? That's just like, y'all know this man don't work. He don't do nothing. And he ain't got himself together. But you done elevated. You done got you a new home, new car. You done got your business going. You got you a good job. Everything's going great in your life. Your bills are paid. Things are being taken care of. And here comes this man that ain't got nothing. You're not going to want to go through that. You're not going to want to go through that. Exactly. I just feel like, I don't think, last year Zolo. Now listen, Conscious, can I be honest with you? Olivia said that. Maybe that wasn't last year. That was the year before last year that allegedly this was said. I want y'all to think about it. Why would he go back to somebody who was pregnant and came out with this? Remind you, he didn't talk to Olivia till the year before. Because remember, when he talked to Olivia the year before, that's when she said she just wanted money from Zolo. Remember, he told her that he said he not going to keep sending money, he'll buy it. She said she wanted money. Remember, he said, well, can AJ come here and I'll take care of AJ, me and Donna? She said no. She felt like Donna is not capable of watching AJ. And that's when she started calling Donna a pedo. Y'all remember that? Olivia was holding on to them text messages from 2 years ago. She could have been told that. She was mad because, he kept asking for AJ and she didn't want to give him AJ. He might not be inherited anything. You're right. She probably did put in his son's name. You never know. So Olivia wanted to say that because Olivia wanted to say, yeah. Because I think Olivia knew something was wrong with Miss Donna. There were conversations about it. And they didn't want to bring it to the internet. And Olivia decided to bring it to the internet. And that's what it was. But I'm going to say this. That man ain't going back to no damn Olivia. Olivia is the type that you have to act like y'all want to have physical relations or all of that in order for them to see their kids. Because if Joey came over there with clothes for baby Kalani, aka baby Helga DJ Stutterbox, if he would have came with money, or if he would have came with the clothes and said he wanted to lay under Olivia and have sex with Olivia, Olivia would have had Joey in there having sex and pulling all that shit on camera just for him to play with Kalani. So that's how I know these men got to do strange things to see their kids. Hey, I hope Donna's okay too. I don't know. I'm going to have to see. That was the year before. Because last year she went to Florida. That was the year 2024. She came out. We already suspect Zolo to be AJ daddy. I'll say that because we don't have DNA. But we already had talked about that. And that's when she decided to come out and tell everybody. Because AJ was what, 2 or 3 years old? He was 2 or 3 years old, yeah? He was 2 to 3 years old. Kalani was a baby. You right. Kalani was a baby, remember? Because we all kept saying, is Kalani okay? She about to be 1 year old. Why she ain't walking yet? I remember that. It was like, girl, she all right? She okay? Is she a little lazy? Like, what's going on? Yeah, he was 2. Because she would have Kalani in a walker and gave AJ the phone. AJ was 2 at the time, and he was talking to the daddy, and that's when he came out here. AJ, my son is smart. My son gonna be this. My son, my son, my son, my son. And then it's like, I don't know if that's my son. So they both play these internet games. Well, he in the hospital. He's there. He at the hospital, China. So like I said, I don't know. I don't know what part of Chicago they in. I don't know if they in Cook County or what county they in. But I mean, if y'all want me to look it up, I just need his last name, his first and last name, and I can find it. Or her first and last name, and I can find it. Because the son, you right, China. That's why I say I need his first and last name. Or her first and last name. I can find it for y'all. Yeah, he called him the star and praising Olivia, knowing her parenting wasn't shit. Because he got tired of sending money. Okay, I'm going to look it up. What's his first name? Is it Angelo? Right? Or is it Angelo? Let me see. I got to see what county they in. I don't remember. I don't forgot the darn man name. I've been calling him Zolo. Lorenzo. Okay. Lorenzo. Why I'm thinking Angelo? Okay, let me put that in my notes. I gotta call my auntie tomorrow. Call one of them today. Okay, I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna figure out what county they in, and I'm gonna look it up. Matter of fact, let me see. Matter of fact. Now they could be married, and most married people do have their family be their be over them. Like if something happened, she probably had a conversation with her son and say, "You'll be my power attorney. I trust you." That could happen. That could happen. Most people do that. So he probably is. He probably is her power of attorney. You never know. Because there are some people I know that be like, I might be married. I don't trust my husband. Cook County? Okay, see, that's what I need. Cook County, they in Chicago, just Jules. I know they're in Chicago, Illinois. I know they're in Chicago. But when I say Cook County, that's really Chicago. But I gotta see if I can find it. But I can tell you this. She probably does have her son as her. I don't know. They probably not. I'm looking at the Secretary of Illinois statewide marriage index. I don't see his name. Let me look over here. Okay, hold on, y'all. I don't want to order it. They should have a thing where you go to look at it. I'm gonna have to make a phone call tomorrow. That's what I'm gonna have to do. Yeah, I believe he is her power of attorney. Yeah, she ain't got no green eyes, but I believe she's a power. Let me see something. I might have to make a phone call tomorrow, y'all, because that's the only way we can find out. So I'm gonna have to call up them. I have to figure out what to say to get this. But I'm finna end it. We've been on here for 2 hours. I'm gonna go back over the court documents. I was doing that, and we know Brandon was mentioning it, but we're gonna go over the rest of it. We will talk about it tomorrow. So not tomorrow. I got a long ass day tomorrow. Damn. I will be back live Friday. Evening, and that's what we're going to get into. I'm still trying to get the information on Yada Awakening and his wife. So once I get that, we'll start back up with that. Hannah Elizabeth is finished to me. Ain't nothing else to talk about with her. She back with that damn baby daddy. That's all I can tell you. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we will go over the court documents Friday. She'll probably be ranting and raving about it. Yeah, he knows more about her medical history than Zolo. And I'm going to make a phone call, and I'll let y'all know what they tell me. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm going to dig for it. If I can see if I can find it online, I'll pull it up and put it in a community wall or on the shorts. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Yeah. Pray for Miss Donna and pray for Magenta Crayola over there, Mood Ring. Bye, y'all.